Pisces, welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin na yung monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng May 2024 at today ay May 31, 2024. Ang timestamp ay 10:37 p.m. Sa mga new viewers natin, Pisces, welcome sa ating Tagalog reading channel. Mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng ating mga monthly Tagalog readings. Remember na ito ay isang collective reading. So meaning, maaaring mag-resonate itong reading na ito sa certain collective and maaaring hindi sa certain group. Okay? It only means na ang reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo and I will tap into your energy next month. Okay? So, shuffle ko lang muna ang mga cards in front of the camera, Pisces, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay? Hi Pisces, so simulan na natin ang inyong Tagalog reading. Ang timestamp ay 10:38 p.m. Ikat lang natin to into 3 like we do sa rest of the zodiac. Okay. Are you ready, Pisces? Okay, position 1, love. Okay. Position 2, happiness. Mga keyword muna. Position 3, Pisces, nandyan ang love. Position 4, nandyan ang outer experiences. Position 5, thank you, universe. At position 6, joy. At position 7, realignment. Okay, so umpisahan na natin sa release card mo, no, Pisces. Ang sabi dito, the presence of love will always cast out fear. Okay, so it's time for you na i-release na yung mga bagay na takot ka or mga worries mo and anxieties and start parang coming out, no, from the energy of parang love. Okay, so i-reverse natin yung nararamdaman natin, the way we see and feel about certain parang mga bagay at sitwasyon at mga tao. Okay? Huwag ka na mag-operate dun sa mga low vibrational energy like fear. Kasi love is always stronger than mga negative emotions mo. And choose na dun ka sa mas mataas. Yung presence of love, yan ang dapat mong piliin. Okay? It's about parang i-let go. And yung kailangan mo daw finally unleash kasi matagal ka nag-hold back. Maaaring nag-hold back ka sa love and dinideprive mo rin yung sarili mo na magmahal o mahalin ka for some reason, parang self-sabotage energy to, no? So, ialis mo yung doubts and worries mo, okay? About situations and certain connections, okay? Yun yung kailangan mong gawin as more like an advice. Yung kailangan mo na may pagpatuloy, Pisces, ang sabi dito, my happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Ito yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy. So, regardless anong level ng faith meron ka, yan ang relationship mo sa pagtitiwala mo sa universe, sa yung creator. So, the more stronger it is na pinagpapatuloy mo to you need to continue sa I felt something positive. The stronger it is na connected ka sa belief mo, the stronger, no, na mas magiging happy ka. Yung there's something about sa mga pinaniwalaan mo na binibigyan ka ng kasiyahan, ng happiness as of this time. Yung core belief mo, the way you feel and the way you think at yung faith mo, nakakatulong siya para mas maging happy ka, Pisces, for some reason. And then sa position 3 sa manifestation mo naman, ang sabi, when I lean toward love, I am led. So sa manifestation mo, you always choose love, no? Pag magma-manifest ka, is it something ba na mahal mo? Okay? Masisiyahan ka ba gawin? Okay? Kasi yun the presence of love and yung happiness. So when I lean toward love, I am led to something better. Okay? So, yung mga manifestation mo, no, make sure na it is something na gusto mong gawin, gusto mong mangyari, at mahal mo, na galing siya sa puso mo out of love. Okay, gusto ko 'to mangyari because this is something na mas masaya akong gawin. Gusto ko mga manifest tong taong to because mahal ko siya at mahal niya ako. You know, these things na operate on the energy of love, no? That is parang selfless kung may gusto tayo i-manifest na situation or people sa buhay natin. Okay? Now, at position 4, external energy to. So, ang sabi, no? Ang sabi, ano natin yung cards para kita. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. So, yung external energy mo, yung mga outer experiences mo yan. And we should not blame yung ibang tao or mga circumstances because everything na nakikita mo, projection lang yan kung ano yung nasa loob mo. Okay? Yung internal state of being mo. Like I said, kung happy ang nakikita mo, it's because happy kang tao. Kung maganda, you feel love, it's because when you're leaning towards more of love than hate. Ganun yun. It's because yung presence ng love ang mas nananaig sa'yo more than yung mga worries inside mo. So, yung outer energy mo, yung mga nakikita mo ngayon na approach or situation, no, sa mga bagay-bagay na nakikita mo sa family mo, sa society, sa community, sa workplace, sa mga friends and connections mo, projection yan ng kung ano yung nasa loob mo. Okay? Yun. Yung external energy na yan is actually ikaw ang nagbibigay ng cause and effect dyan kasi ito kasi yung iniisip mo, ito yung nararamdaman mo. So, magre-reflect yan, mapipicture out yan. Yan ang makikita mo sa 3D. So, you have to make sure na yung feelings mo in the right place, yung thoughts mo in the right place. Okay? And even yung mga intentions mo. Okay? And then, kasi if it's the other way around, yan din ang makikita mo. Okay? Yung kailangan mo namang benefit, no? Na kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo, hindi lang sa community mo, is thank you tayo sa ating Creator, sa ating kay Jesus Christ, kay God, kay Allah, or whatever your belief system is, kay Ganesh, kay Buddha, or sa universe. Thank you, universe, for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Okay, so ayun nga, you will always choose love. Okay, the highest frequency of all is love, 639 Hertz. Okay, and see beyond yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan mo, yung worry mo na hindi pa nangyayari, baka nag-aalala na tayo or in-anticipate mo na baka it could go wrong. No, wag mong isipin yan, okay? Kasi yun ang manifest mo, yung outer experiences mo, reflection yun ng internal state of being mo, no? So, yeah, see beyond the limits ng mga fear-based mentality, okay? And thank you, universe, no? Thank God, your creator as well. Sabi dito, thank you for expanding my perception. Okay, so magkakaroon ka ng change ng the way you see things. Perception yan eh. Is this how you think in the past? So, iba na sa kung anong maaari mong isipin or i-assume ngayon. So, it's a good thing every day we're changing the way we see things, no? Yung ating objectification sa mga situation ng people, nagbabago yan. So that I can see what is of the highest good. So, pag nagbago ang perception mo, doon mo makikita yung marami kang makikitang better than worse. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Yung kailangan may bigay sa sarili mo. Okay? Perception. Change mo yan. Yung mas marami kang nakikitang appreciation sa mga situation and connection than negative. Okay? And that's in yung beginning mo. Malaking factor ang joy. Joy is the ultimate creator. Meron ditong happiness. Happiness is a direct reflection of your level of faith in the universe. And the presence of love will always cast out fear. So, happiness and joy, no, it's basically, medyo, they are on a different level, pero actually, they are actually the same, no? It's very positive energy. So, yung mga new beginnings mo, you have to do it na because it's something na magiging masaya ka. Joy is the ultimate creator. At sinasabi to, makakapag-create ka ng mga new beginnings kung nag-ooperate ka sa energy na masaya ka. Okay? Kung ngayon medyo malungkot tayo, this might not be the perfect time to do that. But once nag-transition ka sa yung state of being mo na you're just happy, contented in life, dun yata papasok yung mga bagong simula sa'yo. Mag-o-open ng doors yan. Okay? Pisces. And then at the center, yung kailangan mong matutunan, ang sabi, the moment I realign with love, Iba ka kasi nag-segue tayo, no, away from love. So, normal lang naman yan eh. Parang airplane, no? May bump along the way, may mga turbulence along the way, may segue, pero at the same time, nandun pa rin, laland pa rin sa same destination, no? So, yun. Kailangan mo i-realign yung sarili mo sa love frequency, sa energy and vibration ng love. Clear direction is presented to me. So, hindi ko pa binabasa yan. Pero sabi ko nga, you will still be landing sa destination, parang sa airplane yan. Kumbaga, ikaw ang pilot. I-realign mo yung sarili mo sa destination mo, no? Clear direction is being presented to you the moment na nagre-realign tayo sa mas magagandang energy, mas magagandang bagay, no? And feelings and thoughts. Diyan papasok ang mga bago mong simula. Okay? The moment na mag-umpisa ka, na maramdaman mong masaya ka, no? Contented ka for this time, no? At this point in time, masaya ako. Diyan papasok yung mga bagong simula. Okay, Pisces, so sana nag-resonate kayo on your May 2024 reading at 10:48 PM to. Time stop na tapos ang reading natin. And if it doesn't resonate, I will tap into your energy next time, Pisces. I'll see you guys in your next month Tagalog reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Pisces. Bye!